yay, yay. Look, I passed that big truck. Yay. Oh, but wait. There's a dumb fuck. Somebody's out of their vehicle. Oh, what are we doing up there? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing? What are we doing, huh? Huh. Maybe they got hit by that truck. That'd be awesome. Yep. They must have got hit by that truck. Too bad that he didn't just, like, run all the way over the top of him. That would have been something to fucking look at. Lord knows I need some kind of fucking entertainment right now. Oh. This fabulous. 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 Look. 2 minutes, another quarter of a mile. Hey, making good time now.